Good morning. We are continuing with the story How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. Lesson number 2, Honeysuckle NCERT textbook. I am going slowly so that you are able to understand each and every word in the text and also able to read well. This will not be taken again, so concentrate more and do well. Okay, we have completed 4 paragraphs and the 5th paragraph reading part also. Let us continue with that. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up services with him. And he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. What did the dog say? Wolf, I can't be your servant because you are not stronger. He went and he saw that the bear is stronger than the wolf, and he went and asked, Bear, can you take me as your servant? The bear agreed to this readily. What is the meaning of readily? Okay. Is that clear? And what did he say? Add, let us go and find a herd. Herd of cows. What is the meaning of herd of cows? A group of cows, they will be coming to drink water, they will be grazing. Have you seen that? Herd of cows. Okay, let us go and find a herd of cows. Okay, a group of cows will be there, we'll go and find them. I'll kill a cow. What am I going to do? From that herd group of cows, I'll kill one. And what shall we both do? We both will sit and eat, our tummy full. Our fill means what? Our stomach fully we will eat. Okay, that herd, no, we will eat fully. Are you able to understand what he is saying? Yes. Let's go and find a herd. So, our job now is to go and find where a group of the cows, they are all grazing, they will be near the water point. Yes, let us go and kill a cow. I will kill a cow. What should we do after killing the cow? We both will eat full stomach. Is that clear? This is the plan. How is the dog? Very happy. At last, I got a very strong animal as my master. Who is that? The bear. He's very happy. And he is ready to do the services to the dog. Very nice, very happy dog. Okay, so they are going. Shall we see what happened after that? Yes, we will see. They walked on, and soon they saw a herd of cows. Just then, when they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. What's the noise? Terrible noise, something which is frightening, a sound which is very difficult to bear the sound. The cows were mooing loudly and running in panic in all directions. All the cows, they run from hither, and thither. What are they doing? Running, moving, making noise. Moving means the noise made by the cows. The cows move. Haven't you read in your small class? Yes. The cows were moving loudly, not in panic, in fear, in real, threat. Running in panic. All direction, no particular direction. One is running here. They don't know where to go. Okay, when it is panic, they don't know where to go. Each one is running in a different direction. Who were running? The cows. They were running, moving also. They were moving. They were shouting, moving. And they are running in panic panic in all the directions. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. But just then they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. They were stopped by a terrible noise. What sort of a noise? Terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in panic in all directions. Okay, they were running in all directions. Please repeat behind me. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. But just as they were about to come, come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in a panic in all directions. Okay? Understood? Yes. Shall we see what happened next? Yes. The bear looked from behind a tree. Then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Huh? Look here. The bear looked out from behind. It's seeing from why these cows are running. It's going and seeing from behind the tree to see. Oh, who has come? And then what does he do? He hastily deeper. He runs so fast, moves hastily deeper into the forest. Not ordinary, deep into the forest he runs up. What is happening? Repeat after me. The bear looked from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily. Hastily means fastly. Deeper into the forest. Okay. What is happening? See the picture? The tree. Are you able to see the cows? How are they running? In panic, moving and running in all direction. Are you able to see the clearly in the picture? Where is the bear? Just see behind the tree. Who is next to him? His servant. Who is that servant? The dog. Very good. You have understood the story. And what did he do? Bear do? The bear ran away into the forest. What is happening? Did the bear understand what is happening? No. He is not able to understand what's happening at all. He is not able to comprehend what is happening before him. Here is a powerful bear and he is running. What is happening? Okay. Shall we go? Yes. Please read the lines again. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Okay, meaning of hastily is fastly. Hastily, fastly. Look at the spelling. H-A-S-T-I. Grammar part it will come. That is why you need to know the spellings. Haste. H-A-S-T-E. Haste. L-Y is adjective when you are writing L-Y. Hastily. H-A-S-T-I-L-Y. Okay, you shouldn't make a error there. deeper into the forest. Okay, ठीक है. I'll stop with this. I'll continue in the next class. Okay.